new. We had the over fenders all paint matched, 10mm wider ones too, so these look excellent. These look absolutely amazing and just completely set the Wrx VB off. But one of the small issues that we were running into is that, yeah, it clears fine, looks good. I've trimmed the fiberglass, so the guards aren't the issue. There's a little bit of metal lip in the rear arch of the VB, so it goes along just behind the fender here, and about there's a little bit of a metal bit that is hitting the tire, unfortunately, when the suspension compresses, and you can kind of just see that it does chew away a bit of the tire. So what we are doing today, we're going down to DNA Motorsports. They are realigning, resetting this car up, just a professional wheel alignment, a bit more track focus, semi-street as well. So yeah, that's going to happen to the Wrx today. They're going to be cutting the inside of the fender. They'll do a professional job, set the car up, make it look as aggressive as we can, and perform the best we can too. So yeah, this whole new setup, it's a little bit of a tedious work, but honestly, just looking at it and that meaty setup, it just looks perfect. And these are what are going in today. So we have the Cusco rear camber arms. I mean, just the sticker alone just looks sick. Don't know where I'll put it, probably just somewhere in my office room or laptop or something, but these in the blue just look amazing. I can't wait to put them in. Quality of Cusco parts always just look, they're a little bit dearer, but they're just always amazing. So we'll load them up into the car, then we'll head our way down to DNA Motorsports and let them do their magic. And then after that, hopefully visit the R34 and give you guys an update on how that car is going as well. Because, man, I have some good news about that car, and there's things that are happening to that car. I'll probably break it down a little bit further or more when we go visit the car, but yeah. So that's it, pretty much. Camber arms are in. So the OEM stock ones are in there. Rear Cusco camber arms are in. So what they told me done was just hammer it out. Nothing too crazy. So we just had the inner guards hammered out. Maybe roll it if we have to, just to fit these guards, but we'll see. We'll have them rolled, but I think it should be fine. So yeah, we're gonna head home now, and tomorrow we are going next to the R34 just to give you guys an update and just a breakdown on what's been done. But that S14 is sick. For everyone wondering what my ride height is and specs and camera, there you guys go. If you just want to pause it, you can pause it and check it out. But yeah, so that's where the car's sitting now. Will I adjust it? Probably. I do want to go 10mm wider spaces on the car, and then we'll have to see from there. But for now, it's pretty good. It's not even scrubbing that much, so I'm pretty happy. Right, so let's give it a quick walk around and talk around about if you guys wanted to get this fitment on your car, like what would you guys have to do? I mean, look, I'm running 255 40 R18s on the semi-slicks. Like, these are a bit more aggressive semi-slick. The C28s 18 times 9.5 plus 35. I do want to space them out by 10mm to match the 10mm wider guards. I think that'll be perfect, but otherwise, other than that, honestly, it's just like, if you guys can, I've trimmed all in here, and there's a metal bit in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, or if you own a VB, if you just put your finger through here, you feel a little bit of a metal bits through there. But what has had to happen is we had to hammer in all of that. So you don't technically need any type of trimming. You just have to kind of hammer it in, and it is sweet and it will clear, as well as they did help clearance some of my tire too. It's a bit aggressive, but yeah, honestly no scrubbing now. It's perfect, guards sit in perfectly, and this fitment looks ridiculous. Again, I do want to do, oh man, this car just looks insane now, so just give it a walk around. So a lot of you guys were asking that question itself. Does this tire and wheel rims setup fit perfectly? It's just, yeah, look, the front's no issues, just the back you do need to do a bit of trimming. And if you keep the standard fenders, the black ones, not going 10mm over as well, you're still going to need to trim them. So what you'll have to do is, of course, just back under here, is just trim your guards, or if you have the plastic ones already, the factory ones, they'll rub themselves already. And then inside there, there'll be a little bit of a metal lip just goes over inside behind the plastic fender. You can either hammer that in, which is the case of this. We didn't do any body cutting, so no cutting required. We just hammered it in, and it is perfect, no scrubbing issues. Definitely go for it. Or you can go a 18 times 9.5 plus 22 with a less aggressive tire, like a 245. You could even go back to, I wouldn't go lower than a 245. 235 is a bit sketchy, to be honest. But if you want to go the other way around, if you want to go like a 18 times 8.5, you can do that, plus 40. You can run these tires, no issue. You can run 265 35s, no problem as well. But yeah, so those are just like my little test and run. So I had to go all through that, so you guys, don't end up buying a set of tires and rims and you want to kind of replicate this aggressive look, that you don't run into that issue. So yeah, we've sorted that ourselves. I mean, in my opinion, I would have done it anyway. I still, if I knew ahead of the time that I would have to cut or trim inside the guards to fit these rims and tire setup, yeah, 100% I'll do it. Next, of course, sorry for that plane to go by, but 10mm wider spaces, I think that shouldn't be an issue, to be honest. I think I should be able to clear it. We'll have to find out, but that's why we test and try anyway. So yeah guys, if I have to raise it, I will raise it, but it should be sweet. I think that's, to be honest, that's fine. The wheels sit in a bit, they do, like they could be a bit more aggressive. For some people that's the perfect amount. To me, I wouldn't mind, honestly. Maybe I'll experiment. 8mm would be nice too, but yeah, there you guys go. And in this box is the old rear camber arm. So that is right, we did install rear camber arms. The Cusco's is also very nice quality camber arm. I'll see if I can show you guys as well. Camera down. That's my, there we go. You guys can see the rear Cusco arms. They have give you guys a last little walk around before we head out. I never get sick of how far this car has actually come and how nice it's looking. So again, what I want to do is kind of like a same as a center hub ring. The Brembo's, there's also 6-pot that is 100% needed, and then you got a lot of things like painting the skirts and painting the rear bumper, but yeah, it's come along a nice way. We've done this rear diffuser, which I haven't spoke too much about, so that rear diffuser has been done too. But yeah, there you guys go. Quick little walk around. I'm just so happy that the tires don't scrape anymore. So I wasn't able to drive the car for a while, but now I can actually drive it and enjoy it again. Like
I went probably like a week without driving it. I already missed it. So yeah, happy I can drive it again. So small mods, but a big smile on my face. So yeah. Motorsports, can't stress enough. These guys have done all my cars, and they've done an amazing job. As always. Afternoon, guys. Welcome to day 2. So we are going next to the R34 today, just to give you guys like a little breakdown and catch up on where the car is. So it is just getting the WRX. It is on its somewhat, I've been told at least, its final week of getting it built. So what we're doing today is we're gonna just GPS our way down to where the car's at and give you guys just a little quick update and just see the car again, because it's just been so long. Like, this car has been getting built for what feels like 2 years, to be honest, but we're on our final steps and I'm just so excited and I can't wait to just show you guys and just, oh man, I can't wait to talk about the car. So punch it into the GPS and we'll head over there and just check the R34 out. Where do I even start with my R34? This has been my dream build. Well, the biggest reason why I started my YouTube channel. But I'll give you guys a quick breakdown. So we've gone a drive-by-wire, which is going to be very important for the tuning we're going to do. We've got a catch can. We have a lot of custom wiring. We've got billet cams, you know, bigger injectors, harmonic balancer, new water pump, LS1, alternator, trigger kit, cams, cam gears, an external power steering. So this is going to come in handy for when the car is even off, and just not much strain on the car as well. So we've done all new custom piping. A lot of it is missing on the car. If you guys aren't aware, this was once a R34 GTT standard, and we've gone for the molded wide body, complete external repaint and engine bay repaint. Interior looks like a bit of a freaking mess, not gonna lie, but it's just the final stages of putting everything together, and I'll give you guys a proper breakdown. But for now, yeah, just a quick little walk around the car, just a little tease, because this has been my dream build since I could ever remember, to be honest. Just let me give you guys just show you a bit of the piping that's been done. I mean, we've even done Brembo conversion, TE37 SLs, aggressive fitment, gone top mount turbo, wastegate, external screamer pipe as well. So this thing is just going to be so rowdy, it's so insane once it's all back together. It's going to be on E85. We've got the Elite, Haltech Elite 2500. We've gone for the digital dash in the center as well. So like it's just, I'll show you a bit more of the wiring in here, and going for an oil cooler too. Again, guys, this is just a quick tease of my R34. Can't wait. This is going to be the most insane build of my channel and my dream build as well. So once these are all back together in the car and it's all assembled and tuning, hopefully, fingers crossed, by next week, it's going to be amazing. Hey guys, so we just dropped by the 34. A lot of the car wasn't pretty much on, so we are going to go back next week to give it another update and check out. So yeah, a lot of everything wasn't on just because, again, it's a long story, but it should be done by the end of this week, and we will be doing a dyno trim video. So hopefully this video wasn't too short, guys, but that was a quick little video of the camber arms, realignment for the WRX, and just a little drop by an update of the R34 GTT 500 horsepower. So that's about it today, guys. Catch you in